Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw another dinosaur, and this specific dinosaur is the Gigantosaurus from the new Jurassic World Dominion movie. And if you guys have not checked out the new trailer for it, I would definitely recommend it because it really looks awesome, and I can't wait for this movie to come out. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Gigantosaurus from Jurassic World Dominion, let's begin with the eye. We want to start right about here, and let's just make a little line that just goes down, and then it's going to come back in a check mark shape. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up for the actual eye. I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then it's going to go up and then down again for some detail above the eye. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come out here. We're going to go up and down like this. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come down for the front of the nose. Next, we want to bring this line back. We're going to come up a little bit and then down like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and it's going to go straight across for the bottom of the mouth. Then we'll draw a line that's going to go down and in. Next, we'll just bring this line over and up for the jaw. Starting over here, we're going to make a little kind of oval that's not all the way closed for the nose. Then we want to draw a little line that comes down here. And then we want to add a lot of teeth in here. So when adding the teeth, we're just going to make some really sharp kind of pointed teeth that come all the way back here. And then we're going to make some more at the bottom too. Just make some of them a little bit different sizes. Then right here, I like to add a little line that's going to go down and then to about here for the tongue. Next, starting here, let's draw a little line that's just going to come down. Then we're going to make this line come up for the back, and then we're going to bring it back down here. Now, I don't have enough room to make the tail come all the way out, so we're going to kind of curve it down here. So I'm just going to draw a nice long line that's going to come down to about here. Then we're going to bring it all the way back up to here. Starting right here, let's go ahead and make a couple little curved lines for the neck. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down and then up here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. And over here I want to start the arms. So let's begin by drawing a line that comes down. Then we're going to draw a line that comes over here. I'll add a curved line on here for one of the claws. We'll do another one here. And then we'll do one more over here. Next, we're going to bring a line that goes up, and then it's going to come to here. Starting here, we're going to draw another line that comes out. I'm going to draw this line out a little farther for the other arm. And then we'll make a line that's going to curve down and up for this claw. We'll make one that comes down here. And then one more right here, and we're going to bring it up into here. Then we'll draw a line that comes over, and a line that comes up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. And then we want to start the leg. So to start off with the leg, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down to here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come back a little bit farther. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down. And right here, we're just going to make a line that comes out for one of the toes. So it's just going to curve down and then come back. We'll make another one here that does the same thing. We're going to go down and then come up a little bit. And we'll draw one here. It's going to go down and that's going to come up. Next, we're going to bring this line up and in. And I'll make another one that's going to curve around. And then right here, we're going to curve this line up. Starting over here, we're going to draw another line that's going to come down. We'll come straight down a little bit. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then back in for one of the toes. One more here. And then one more right here. And we're going to bring this line up. We're going to add a little claw on here, and we're going to bring it up and in. Next, we're going to bring this line up for that other leg. Now here's our basic shape of our Gigantosaurus. Now we just want to come in here and add all the fun details. So let's begin on the face. So starting right about here, I'm going to make just a long kind of broken line that comes across the top. It just kind of shows where these little things sticking out of the head are a little bit higher up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and it's going to leave a little bit of space and then come back up. So it kind of looks like there's an indentation in the head. And we're also going to draw a line that's going to go up and it's going to come down here for some more indentations. I'm going to add a little line or two underneath the eye as well for some detail. And I like to make some long kind of broken lines right along the mouth. We'll come in here and add some little lines by the back of the head. And there's also going to be a lot of spikes on our Gigantosaurus. So let's start by making a few little spikes on here, and then we're going to make them get a little bit bigger as they come along the back of the head. They're going to start to get smaller, and then they're going to slowly start getting bigger. When they come to the back, they're going to start getting pretty tall again. And then they don't last very long, and then they're just going to start to get smaller as they come back down. And we're going to take these all the way down to the tip of the tail, making them get smaller and smaller. So we're just going to put these all the way down until we can't even really see them anymore. Now the claws on here are actually going to be pretty small, so we're going to make some smaller claws on our Gigantosaurus. And then always add a couple little lines right above them so it looks like there's some detail on there. Now the claws on the feet are much bigger, so we'll make these curved lines a little bigger. And once again, we're just going to add some of those extra little lines right behind it. Next, we're going to add a couple little broken lines over here with a few little lines in between it for the knees. We'll do the same thing on this side. Then we're going to add a couple little extra lines over here by the legs. I'm going to add a few little lines over here. And then I'm going to make some long broken lines that just kind of come right down the back here, just to show there's a little bit of texture on the back. I'm also going to add some of these right along the top of the head. Then it's really up to you. You can kind of come in here and add some extra little lines just all over the place, wherever you want to. I just like to add a few around places like the legs and the feet and arms, just to show a few more details. A few little extra lines kind of along the tail too, with maybe a few little curved lines here as well, just to show a little bit of dimension and detail. And then I'm also going to add just a little line that's just going to go down and up for the pupil of our Gigantosaurus. And even a few little lines in here. I'm also going to make a little line that's just going to come down, and that's going to come right to about here, just to kind of define where that mouth is. And then also I'm going to add just a couple little lines kind of right along the neck. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Gigantosaurus from the new Jurassic World Dominion movie coming out. And if you guys haven't watched the trailer, you should go check it out because it looks really cool. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.